Hello and welcome to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to switch your wallpaper on your iPhone. Changing your wallpaper is a great way to keep your device looking fresh and personalized. Let's go through the steps together. One of the fastest ways to switch your wallpaper once you have everything set up is by holding down your finger on the lock screen. This activates the wallpaper switching feature. However, if you don't have any customized wallpapers set up yet, there won't be much to switch between. So let's start by setting up a new wallpaper pair. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the Settings app. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. From there, tap on Choose a new wallpaper. This will take you to a screen where you can choose from several categories, such as dynamic, stills, live, or all photos for using your personal images. The way wallpapers work now is in pairs, which is a relatively new feature. The lock screen and home screen wallpapers are no longer separated but work together. I personally like this new approach as it creates a more cohesive look for your device. After selecting your wallpaper category, you can go through all the customization options. You can blur the background, choose an emoji, or select a portrait photo that slightly covers the time on the lock screen. The customization is up to you. Once you've browsed and found a wallpaper you like, tap on it to see a preview. In the preview screen, you can adjust the position and size of the wallpaper to fit your screen perfectly. After making the adjustments, you can choose to set the wallpaper for your lock screen, home screen, or both. This step finalizes your new wallpaper setup. If you want to use a personal photo as your wallpaper, you can follow a similar process. From the Choose a New Wallpaper screen, select All Photos and browse through your photo library. Tap on the photo you want to use, adjust it in the preview screen, and set it as your wallpaper. Here's a quick tip. You can also change your wallpaper directly from the Photos app. Find the photo you want to use, tap the Share button in the bottom left corner, and select Use as Wallpaper. This will bring up the same preview screen where you can adjust and set the wallpaper. This method is convenient because you don't have to leave the Photos app and navigate back to the Settings app. In summary, while you can switch your wallpaper through the Settings app, a much faster method is directly from the lock screen. This way, you can quickly change your wallpaper without navigating through multiple menus. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Foxtecc. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Peace.